Hey guys, buckle up because I've got some mind-blowing intel on the Galaxy S26 Ultra that's going to make you rethink everything about Samsung's next flagship. Has the king of Android just gotten a sneaky upgrade? Or is there a twist that'll leave us all scratching our heads? Alright, jumping right in, imagine this. A bold YouTuber out in Dubai drops not just teaser clips, but a massive 15-minute hands-on extravaganza with the S26 Ultra. We're talking unboxings, real-world tests, and juicy details that feel straight out of a spy thriller. I've scoured every second of it, and I'm breaking down the 11 must-know highlights that could change how you see this beast. Oh, and if you're stateside eyeing this or the new Buds 4, hit that reservation now. Samsung's tossing in a free $30 credit, plus you might snag killer deals or even $5,000 in prizes. Links down below. Don't sleep on early shipping perks. First off, the unboxing vibe? It's like deja vu from the S25 Ultra. Same sleek packaging, but this one's rocking a crisp white finish that pops. The design's got those subtle curves we've been hearing whispers about, making it feel a tad more comfy in hand without losing that premium edge. Kinda reminds me of how phones are evolving to be less brick-like, you know? Now, let's talk privacy mode. This feature's a game changer, and seeing it in action gave me chills. You've got your standard view, and then this fortress level that blacks out the screen from prying eyes at angles. He demoed it outside, and man, it's legit invisible from the side. What I love is how you can toggle it per app, whether it's Samsung's own or something like Instagram. Plus, it smartly blurs out stuff like one-time codes or alerts. Super thoughtful for anyone paranoid about shoulder surfers in a coffee shop. Feels like Samsung's finally nailing that balance between security and usability. Shifting gears to the build, here's where rumors get spicy. The guy swears it's aluminum framing instead of titanium. Touch alone isn't foolproof, but if this pans out, oof, that's a step back in durability, right? I'm holding my fire till we get solid proof, but it has me wondering if they're cutting corners for cost or something else. We'll circle back on that in a future rant if it sticks. Under the hood, storage jumps to UFS 4.1, bumping read speeds by about 100 megabytes per second and sipping 7% less power. Not earth-shattering, but hey, every bit counts for smoother multitasking. And confirming the leaks, it's powered by a tailored Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, cranking up to 4.74 GHz. That's raw power waiting to unleash. Benchmarks? They're solid, but not revolutionary. Geekbench lines up with prior buzz, though multi-core dipped a smidge below those 11,500 hype numbers. Wildlife loops held steady without massive jumps, and Antutu clocks a 16% boost overall. Numbers are cool, but real talk, the phone barely warmed up during intense sessions like gaming or shooting vids. If that aluminum rumor holds, maybe it's the secret sauce for killer cooling. Kind of like Apple's playbook with the iPhone 17 Pro. Either way, staying chill under pressure is what'll win over everyday users like us. Cameras though, this is the roller coaster part, and I'm geeking out. At 10x zoom in dim lighting, the S26 crushes the S25 with crisper edges, way less fuzz, and details that pop like they're etched in stone. Flare from lights? Handled like a pro, no more ghostly halos ruining shots. The wider aperture on that 5x lens is pulling its weight big time. Even the unchanged 3x setup shows tweaks in processing, thanks softer, more lifelike colors and skin that doesn't look overly baked. Gone is that aggressive punch from older models. It's aiming for realism now. I gotta say, it's refreshing, though I know some of y'all crave that vibrant. Which camp are you in? Drop your take below. I'm curious if this shift vibes with the crowd. Wrapping it up, low-light shots across the lineup feel upgraded, pulling ahead where it counts most. Daytime is a breeze for flagships, but nights are the true test, and Samsung's edging closer to perfection here. What do you think? Hyped or holding out? Smash those comments with questions. I'll be chatting back. And US peeps, grab that reserve link for the $30 perk and jump on launch day, January 25th. Let's keep the convo rolling. Who knows what other leaks drop next?